looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, nope, y'all can't copy yet. Bad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game.
And I've been on the team for 3 years. My favorite moment or memory is probably the bus ride sophomore year when we were talking in British accents, and I laughed so hard that I almost peed my pants. I love doing gymnastics, and I love the people, all people. Gymnastics is really fun, and I like bonding with people and doing gymnastics. My favorite event is bars, by far my favorite, because I just love it, and beam, and floor. I just like all the events.
It's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
My plan for after high school is to go to college on a dive scholarship and dive and learn and grow as a person.
Hi, I'm Olivia Latham. I'm a senior, and this is my first year doing Eastlake Gymnastics. My favorite moment of Eastlake Gymnastics is actually the moment right before we start every meet where we do our team cheers, because it makes me excited and enthusiastic about the meet, and it just gets you prepared and fired up, and it's really fun. I love Eastlake Gymnastics because you get to try a bunch of new things that look really cool, and you get to push yourself, but you also get to make friendships with a bunch of really nice people and form friendships that will last a long time. My favorite event is floor, because I feel like you can just fill as much space as you want. You don't have to be afraid of falling off or running into it or something, and you can just kind of like dance around, and you have to have like power, flexibility, speed. It kind of combines everything together. Graduating high school this year and going to college somewhere in Southern California. I don't know exactly where yet, and hopefully being able to continue gymnastics in some sort of way, whether that's like competing for the college or just doing it recreationally.
You by my side, so that I never feel alone again. They've always been so kind, but now they brought you away from me. I hope they didn't get your mind. Your heart is too strong anyway. We need to fetch back the time.